So I'm now in a place where I won't procrastinate as much. I know what filming style feels like me, and I've got the confidence to put things out there without striving for perfection. So when I first started working with Liu, I had two main goals. The first one was to find my own authentic style to producing video. So I didn't really lack confidence, but I was terrified of producing content that made me cringe or that didn't feel like me. And the second main challenge I had was to find a way to get content out there without spending hours procrastinating, which just doesn't work for me as a busy startup co-founder. So what did we do? The first thing was that we talked really openly about these challenges. For example, I came in with quite a few assumptions. I would say things like, this type of filming style definitely isn't me. Liu actually challenged me on some of that, which was a great starting point. We then tried lots of different things, and here I'm not referring so much to content and what I was saying, more how I'm saying it and how it's being filmed. So we tried selfie style, more sort of static and polished, short, long, so lots of different things. And the third thing was that I actually took the step to not sit on that content, but to get it out there and see what landed, both with myself and with my audience. So in terms of what happened, some of my own assumptions proved to be hasty. Actually, certain styles that I thought weren't going to work for me, I felt were less cringy. So it sort of turned it on its head. And actually with my network and when I posted videos that initially I was quite nervous about, some of those got the most engagement. So again, there was some real learning from that. I also learned that certain filming styles don't work for me, specifically ones that require lots of time doing post-video editing. Again, I just don't have the hours. I've now figured out a lean approach using sort of just my mobile with a really basic editing approach, which means I can get stuff done quickly. So I'm now in a place where I won't procrastinate as much. I know what filming style feels like me, and I've got the confidence to put things out there without striving for perfection.